Cars on a one-lane road, all heading for the same finish line. A faster car catches the slower one ahead and is stuck behind it, so they arrive together as one fleet. The question sounds like a physics simulation, but one number per car answers it.
Here is the setup. There is a finish line at a position called the target. Each car starts at its own spot on the road, moving toward the target at its own fixed speed. No car can ever pass the car in front of it. How many separate fleets reach the finish? The one rule that makes this tricky: when a faster car catches the slower car ahead, it cannot overtake. It slows down and rides right behind it. From then on, they move together at the slower car's speed, and they crossed a line at the same instant. That group is a fleet. Here is the idea that dissolves the simulation. Ignore the moment-to-moment motion and ask one question per car. If nothing were in its way, when would it reach the target? That time is simply the distance left, target minus position, divided by its speed. One clean number for each car. Now compare a car with the one just ahead. If the car behind has a smaller time, it arrives sooner, so it catches up and gets absorbed into that fleet. If its time is larger, it is slower, never catches up, and finishes as its own fleet. Which order? A car can only be blocked by a car in front of it, closer to the target. So sort the cars by position, the one nearest the finish first. Then we walk from the front backward, and each car only checks the fleet directly ahead. Now walk from the front. Keep one value, the arrival time of the fleet currently in the lead. The first car, closest to the finish, arrives in 1 hour and starts fleet 1. The next car also arrives in 1 hour, which is not slower, so it catches up and joins that same fleet. The next car takes 7 hours, far slower than the lead's 1, so it can never catch up. It starts a brand new fleet, and 7 becomes the new lead. The car behind it takes 3 hours, faster than 7, so it catches that fleet and merges. The very last car takes 12 hours, slower still, so it forms a third fleet. 5 cars, but only 3 fleets reach the finish line. You can picture the answer as a stock. Each time a car is slower than everything ahead, it pushes a new fleet onto the stock. Each time a car catches up, nothing is pushed. It just disappears into the fleet already there. When the walk ends, the height of the stock is the number of fleets. What does it cost? The single walk over the cars is linear, but we sorted first to get them in order, and sorting n things takes n log n. So sorting dominates. The whole solution is n log n time, and O of n space for the times in the stock. The whole thing in a few lines. Pair each car with its arrival time. Sort by position closest to the target first, then walk. Whenever a car's time is strictly greater than the current lead, it is slower, so count a new fleet and update the lead. Return the count. So, in one line, turn each car into an arrival time, sort by position, and count how often a car is too slow to catch the fleet ahead. A simulation becomes one sort and one pass. Want to try it yourself? There is an interactive version on unwrote.com, linked in the description. That is car fleet. Next up, the largest rectangle in a histogram.